Isn't our school canteen? I was just dodging my algebra homework.
Bro, ये 03 क्या है? Do I look like a budget barcode?
ओए, ये कोई बॉलीवुड की कोई किडनैपिंग सीन है क्या? Where's my Paytm ransom?
भाई मेरे को लगता है हम सबको मैथ के दोस्त ने पकड़ लिया।
Welcome players. You all have been chosen for Math Squid game. Win the game and go back to your boring school, or either lose and solve the maths equation forever.
Forever, मतलब no Instagram reels. How would I survive?
Prachi, focus. It's a game, not an Instagram challenge.
Silence player 9. पहले ये तो जान लो कि हाँ आए कैसे।
Flashback.
तो हेलो बच्चों, तुम सब मुझे जानते ही होगे।
अरे ये तो स्क्विड गेम वाला फ्रेंडमैन है।
तो बच्चों, किस किस को मैथ्स यहाँ पसंद नहीं है?
अरे यार मैथ्स किसको पसंद होता है?
अच्छा, तो किसी को मैथ्स पसंद नहीं है?
अरे वो बेहोशी वाला धुआं कहाँ गया?
बेटा बजट नहीं था, तो थोड़ा एडजस्ट कर ही लो।
End of flashback.
So player, first let's learn the concept. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So are you ready for the maths quiz? Rules are simple, बस थोड़ी सी मस्ती है। I will ask 9 questions on prime numbers. Answer correctly and take one step forward. No answer, you are out. First, who finish the lines wins. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। First question. Which of the following number is not a prime number? 7, 13, 21 or 23?
21.
Second question. What is the smallest prime number? 2. 7 crore. Now tell me, true or false? All prime numbers are odd.
False.
What is the next prime number after 19?
23. भाई अनाउंसर अंकल की वॉइस नीरव जैसी क्यों लगती है?
अरे नहीं तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का पूछ लेगा।
Next question. A prime number has exactly how many factors?
2.
Next question. Which of this number is often called the most annoying number for primality testing due to its unique properties?
1.
Now, tell me, is 51 a prime number?
No.
Next question. Which mathematician proved that there are infinitely many prime numbers?
आलिया भट्ट।
वाह मेरे रणबीर कपूर।
अरे मैंने तो आंसर ही दे दिया।
Player number 6 has been eliminated.
Congratulations player, you won the game.
मैं तो हुई मैथ्स की सुपरस्टार।
둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 손뼉을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자.
अभी नाच लो, क्योंकि फिर बाद में तो रोना ही पड़ेगा।
So guys, now let's understand the concept of coordinate geometry. It's a fascinating concept which bridges the gap between algebra and geometry to understand shape and position. Here, we have a vertical axis known as y-axis and a horizontal axis known as x-axis. We have 4 quadrants, 1, 2, 3 and 4.
We also have a origin point that is 0, 0. So players, now you are the points and I am allocated. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Layer 10, now move to minus 1, 1. Layer 7, move to minus 1, 0. Layer 4, move to origin. Layer 2, now move to 1, minus 1. Layer 3, now move to minus 1, minus 1. Layer 1, now move to 1, minus 2.
Layer 8, move to 1, 1. Player 8, game over. Now get ready for stepping stones.
The students now will understand the binomial theorem. This theorem helps us in extending the expression of a plus b whole power n, where a and b are any real numbers and a non-negative integer.
So players, are you ready for the next game?
Yes.
What is the value of the number at the very top of Pascal's triangle? Correct answer.
Right.
How are the numbers in Pascal triangles generated?
By adding number 2.
Nice. What is the sum of the numbers in a row 0 of Pascal's triangle? What is the sum of the number in a row 1 of Pascal's triangle? What is the sum of the numbers in row 2 of Pascal's triangle?
4.
Which famous sequence of the number appears when you sum the number in each row of Pascal's triangle?
Power of 5.
There's 7. It's a wrong answer. What is the number if the row in Pascal triangles start with and end with 1? What can you say about the number in between?
Symmetric.
You are selected for the next round.
हाँ मुझे अपने घर जाना है ना.
इसके और एक्टिंग का 50 रुपए काटो.
So guys, now let's get ready for the series. As you know, series can be arithmetic or geometric. This time we are doing arithmetic series.
So guys, are ready for the next game?
Yes.
जो ज्यादा सही आंसर देगा उस तरफ रस्सी ज्यादा खिंचाई जाएगी. समझ गए?
Yes.
So, what is the sum of first 100 positive integer?
5050.
Correct answer.
अंशिका तो मैथ की शक्ति का फुल धमाका फुल रहा.
मैथ्स और मसल में तो हमें नंबर 1.
Consider the arithmetic sequence 3, 7, 11, 15. What is the 20th term of the sequence?
79.
Correct answer.
आशी ताली और इंस्टाग्राम रील्स में चलता ही है ना. अरे भाई अब तो स्कूल में सेल्फी डालेगी स्क्विड गेम के नाम से.
अब तो ऐसा लगता है कि बॉडी बनती ही रहेगी.
जैक तू बॉडी बिल्डर नहीं प्रो पुलर बनेगा.
Consider the geometric sequence 2, 6, 18, 54. What is the 7th term of this sequence?
1450.
Correct answer. So now, player 1, 2 and 5 will go to finale.
It's time for the treasure hunt.
देखो भाई क्या है. Mathematics is the indispensable instrument of all the physical research. चलो भाई चलो. Then a place where trigonometry starts. The place where you find a cylinder which is used for playing. The place where we apply trigonometry. Let's see how.
The place where we apply trigonometry. मेरे को लगता है बास्केटबॉल.
हो गया भाई, अब मैं नहीं भाग सकती. I quit.
Congratulations players, you won the game and the prize along with the pass of no homework 1 week.
Wait, but there is no cash, no trophy.
Relax, champ. This is a match Squid Game, not a Netflix series.
गेम खत्म हो गया. अब इसकी बैंड बजाते हैं.
अब इसी का गिफ्ट इसी की बजाएंगे.
अबे मास्क उतारो.
कौन बोला? अरे ये तो टॉपर